Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. And today is Friday, August 27. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and we are looking at the chart of Amazon today, 45 minutes chart. We can see we ended with A in the intermediate degree here as a 5 ways down. As you can see, the minor degree ended with 5 of A at 3,174 approximately. And then we can see the rally is also in the form of an impulse right now. So we're looking for the rally to end soon here as a 5 waves up, ending with A with the divergence at the peak, which is common for wave 5. And then once we finish this 5 waves up, we should be looking for a 3-ways pullback soon. Now it doesn't need to necessarily make one more marginal high. It could have ended 5 of A here, but we're now looking for ideally another like higher marginal high before we got a 3-ways pullback. And that 3-ways pullback, as long as we stay above 3,174, we should be looking for at least another leg higher in the C leg. Now the arrow remains black in color and not green, because we have not, of course, if you look at the larger degree, we are not even breaking above the previous peak yet, so there is no bullish sequence as a result. But what we do have is what looks like a 5 ways up from the low, so there is a chance we can see at least another leg higher. Now when we look at the 4-hour chart and we transfer the label here, the 5 NA to the 4-hour here, 5 NA, now we can see this is the larger degree view. If this is 5 of A, then we can conclude this has to be a 5 ways down from this peak right here, July 2021. All right, so that's the cycle we are looking at, July 2021, right here, July 13. And from here it should have been a 5 ways down, obviously, right? 1 2, because we know this is a 5, so it has to be 5 ways down. 1 2, let's say right here, 3 4 5. And then now we should be looking for a, like we see in the 1-hour chart, this should be ending with A soon, right here, with or without a marginal high, doesn't matter that much. And then from there we should be getting a 3-ways pullback, right? Then due to the fact that we do have what looks like a 5 ways up here, we could potentially get one more push higher, right? We could potentially get one more push higher to finish the C here, and this should be ending B here. And then from there, as long as we stay below July 13, we can then turn lower again. But since we are concerned primarily with the shorter cycle, then basically the shorter cycle is looking to end this rally soon and looking for 3-ways pullback soon. And then as long as the pullback stays above 3,174, we could get another push to the upside. Okay, at least one more leg in the C leg. Alright, so if you do want to check the full count in all time frame, then it is available in the member area. And we do have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description. We also have Labor Day promotion right now. You can get 2-month subscription from the price of 1 if you are new. And I'll see you all again next week then. Have a nice day, everyone.